Guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around on this Nash here. Look here, air conditioning, turn it on. You can hear the compressor turning on, fan turning on there. Wipers, those work as well. Turn that off. Radio, we're not getting a station, but there is some sort of frequency that does come out. There's a little bit of humming. There it goes. So speakers work. I don't think the radio itself works. Fuel gauge works, temp gauge works, and then the gauges down here also work. All right. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. If you'd like a shipping quote, we can also help out with that if you use the contact seller button. And if you are interested in 911R representing a car for you, you can use the contact seller button and we can start a conversation. Good luck with the rest of the auction.